What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss, and in this video I'm gonna talk about all your comments and problems that you guys had in my older video about PUBG and how to get it on your device on incompatible devices, because 2 months ago I wasn't able to, that game wasn't compatible on many devices, but now it's getting better and more compatible, so that's great. But I wasn't able to upload for 2 months because I had exams, but now I'm all finally over, so let's get started. So starting with one of the most asked question was, many of you guys asked me that, is it going to work on my device? I have Samsung Galaxy J2, J5 or F, I don't know, S is something. Many guys asked me. But first of all, if we look at this game's official, if we look at for an, if we search for it on Play Store, so let me search for it, and then we scroll down to see the minimum requirements. As you guys can see here, it requires a persistent internet connection. That's obvious. Recommended specs for I don't think it's going to be focused, but anyways, recommended specs for getting most of the PUBG is like, if you want to play it as the best as possible, you need to at least have Android 5.1.1 or above, and at least 2 gigs of RAM. So if your device meets this criteria, you should definitely give it a try, because it may work, most probably it will work. So yeah, that's about it. Like here, as you can see, it supports more than 500 devices, Sony Xperia, and like many devices. So yeah, I don't want to give all the devices, but you can look for it on your own. So yeah, the second problem that you guys had is the white screen of death, or white screen, or whatever, white screen issues. I couldn't get you guys weren't able to describe it as good, to make me understand what it is, but I searched for it on the internet, and I guess there is obviously a fix for it, but I'm not sure exactly how to fix it. But there's one thing that I got when there's the one thing I found on the internet there, so which I'm going to show you now. And if you have any more questions, please don't forget to put them down in the comments below. So let me show you. So guys, as you can see, I'm opening PUBG, and let's see, let's bring it up closer. I think I'll need to decrease the brightness on this screen, not too much. Oh, oops, slide is turned on. Let me turn that off. And yeah, let's get everything in focus. What the hell is this? Oh, it's just downloading some 9 MB data. Let's see. I can't zoom in closer than this, because that's what my device is limited to. So yeah, if you guys can reach this screen, whatever you guys are, like if you have that white screen issue, but if you can reach this screen right here, which is something like this, yeah, something like this, you don't need to click on any of these. You can see here there's this button right here. I don't think it's gonna get in focus, but yeah, there's this button right here that says repair. So what you want to do ahead and is click on it, and it's gonna click on client repaired immediately. It shouldn't take more than that. And then it says please restart the game. Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. I can actually show you here. There we go. As you can see, please restart the game. Let me show this again. Click on OK. Oh, it's gonna restart automatically, but anyways, just open this game and let's see. Wait again. It's a bit difficult to put your hands steady on when you're holding it, but anyway, let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit. Then so yeah, once you're done, you can go ahead and click on guest. But let me show you again what you need to do. You need to go ahead, open PUBG. If you reach this screen, if you don't, please let me know in the comment section. I'll make another follow-up video if I can find any information, if I can actually. So as you can see, there's this repair button right here with like those wrench and screwdriver. Just click on it, and then it's gonna do immediately whatever it wants to clear client repair. and then click on OK, and then it's going to turn off the game, and then you turn it back on and click on Facebook or guest. I'm going to click on Facebook and then click on agree. Obviously, sorry for this because it's moving a lot. Click on agree, and then it's going to open up Facebook for you. I hope you guys can see. Actually, it's not that difficult to see it, but yeah, my hands are getting pretty tired, my arms. So let's see. I don't think there's any other question that you guys had. Yeah, I told you the minimum requirements. If your phone, even if your phone doesn't meet that, please give it a try. It says that's the minimum requirement. It may work with, if that's the minimum requirement for the game to work properly, but it may work but it lag a little bit, but you can give it a try even if your phone doesn't meet those requirements. So as you can see here, it's going to select low because my phone is not that great, but I know how to make it high. I'm going to put a link down in the description of that video. That guy shows how to get it to higher, and then you can easily do it. And then region, you can whatever you want to, and then once you can see it does get into the game, you can close. Yeah, that's it. Let me get yeah, so yeah, I don't think there's any other question, but this one I think it's gonna fix it, but I'm not pretty much sure. But so yeah, you can give it a try. So let's see if there is any other question. So guys, as you can see, I found a few more questions. This guy right here, Tech Gamer and Guy, says, hey, there is no APK, it's only a data file. Where can I get the APK, please? So those many, I think he's Indian, but anyways, I'm gonna talk in English. So first of all, I told you to download this, what is it called, APK Pure, and then download that game from APK Pure. So it's going to do everything automatically. You don't need to get the data file separately, because if you get a data file from the online website of APK Pure, it's going to be an XAPK file which you can install from APK Pure, the application itself, but you will need it's better just to go with the standard app and then install it. It's not that difficult. So here again he says 1.5 GB में चलेगा. तो दोस्त मैंने आपका जवाब तो already दे दिया. Will it work on Android 5.2.0.2? So your phone does not meet the minimum requirements, but you can still give it a try. OMG, thanks. So as you can see, it worked for him. It's really helpful for me. So many of you guys did help me. So here unsupported and at that moment. So here this one you can. I have Galaxy Tab 3V and it's saying that your device is unsupported at that moment. So I had never had experienced that kind of issue, but so I don't know how to fix it, but you can Google it. You'll probably find the right information. It works on KitKat. So I already asked you. I don't know if this is a question or an answer, but it says question mark, so it's a question. So I already answered your question. 1.2 GB RAM. I already XAPK again. I just told you guys doesn't work in Nokia 2. You can try what I told you again in this video. Yeah, so these are many questions. Can it work on Tab A and stuff like that? But anyways, so yeah. So guys, as you can see, I answered many of your questions and I hope it works and it was helpful. And there's a new video coming up soon, which is about my trip to Mecca, but I think this one is going to come up before that because it's much shorter. That one is going to take much longer editing and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Sharing is really important because it will help others. I'm not saying for myself and stuff like that, just to help me, but that's obvious. You will need to please help me if you can subscribe. Yeah, that's about it. So this is Fuzal Hamid from Mr. Tech Boss signing off.